What's going on, guys? It's PokeSuper2 back with a video, and today I have a Ultra Prism 3-pack booster box. Well, I don't know if it's a booster box. And a True Steel Premium Collection featuring Zacian. And as you can tell, this is the beginning of my studio. So excuse the Ruby poster. I'll probably put a Pokemon poster if I get the chance. But other than that, let's get cracking. Let's see what we got. Alright. So we'll do the Ultra Prism first, because it's just 3 packs. I'm not even going to see what the code cards are. There's the code for y'all. 3 from the back, or 4 from the back, I'm sorry. Ooh, I see a little bit of black. Oh, we got Dark Energy, Prinplup, Pokemon Fan Club, Cranidos, I believe, Pachirisu, Scorpy, Yangoose, Cherubi, Piplup, a Cyrus Prism Star, and a Alolan Executor. Not bad, not bad. Alright, at least we got a hit. I count that as a hit. Alright. I don't know what we get. It's just gonna be a quick little. This will be a quick little opening. Just had to get a video out of the way. There's the booster, the code for y'all. We got 1, 2, 3, 4. We got Lightning Energy, Prinplup again, Pokemon Fan Club, same thing, Magnemite, Krogan, Bronzor, Gible, Pachirisu, Luca Reverse Hollow, and a Washing Machine. No hit there. Oh well, that's fine. Last pack out of Ultra Prism, guys. What can we get? 1, 2, 3, 4. We got Psychic, Drifblim, Gabite, Looker Whistle, Yanma, Bronzor, Gible, Rosella, Chimchar, Manaphy as a reverse, and Roserade non-hollow. Alright. At least we got a Prism Star. Not bad. Alright. So now to a box. This is honestly the first time I've ever actually owned a Pokemon figure. So alright, so we got this. Pop out that promo. That is nice. That's a nice promo. And then we'll pull out the figure. Oh, that is cool. That is so cool. I love the detailing on that. That's wicked. And then the packs. There's a Burning Shadows pack and Evolutions. Ooh, could we get some hits out of those? And of course, you gotta have some respect for the pins. That is actually nice. We'll put that figure right there. Alright. Alright, so we have Evolutions, Cosmic Eclipse, Burning Shadows, Sword and Shield, and 2 Darkness Ablaze. We'll save the Darkness Ablaze for last. We'll go with that order. So we'll start out with Sword and Shield. Don't know what we can get. Let's just see. Let's hope. There's a code for y'all. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fire Energy, Great Ball. Sweet. Another one from my deck. Galarian Linoon. Rotom-bike. Rookity. Krabby. Grookey. Mudbreak. Hoo-hoo. Silicobra and Cramorant. Non-hollow. Alrighty. You know what? Actually, no. We'll do Cosmic Eclipse. Hope we get that character card. That Trainer Red character card. Oh, yes, please. There's the code for y'all. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ooh, I think we got something, guys. Fairy Energy. Mawa. Dusclops. Larvesta. Alolan Meowth. Rolls. Persimmon. Yangmo. Rowlet. A Torkoal character card. Not bad. And a Stoutland as a holo. We got a double hit, though. Double hit. That is awesome. Sweet. No Piplup this time. That's awesome. I'm actually going to sleeve that. That's awesome. A new character card for my collection. Oh, nostalgia. We're going to evolutions. There you go. All right. 1, 2, 3. Machoke. Coughing. Kakuna. Drowsy. Electabuzz. Vulpix. Sandshrew. Onyx. Nidoran. And, of course, a Beedrill. It always has to be a Beedrill, I swear. Burning Shadows. Can we get some Burning Shadows luck? I mean, come on now. Alrighty. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fire Energy. Wishful Baton. Thicky Wicky. Lunaton. Horsey. Venipede. Sandygast. Morlo. Focus camera. There we go. Crabrawler. Illuminati confirmed. Lydion. No hit. Alright, guys. This is it. Let's hope we can get a hit out of any of these packs. What can we get? 1, 2, 3, 4. Leaf Energy. Simisage. Vanillish. Gothorita. Mareep. Paris. Gothita. Skarmory. Cubchoo. Larvesta. Hey, ooh. Melodic Hollow. Nice. Brings me back to when I pulled that Melodic Fuller V. That's awesome, though. That'll go get in a water deck. Alright, guys. Last pack magic. Give it a kiss for good luck. And we open. There's the code for y'all. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ooh. I think we got something, guys. Fire Energy. Solrock. Steenie. Old PC. Fletchling. Galarian Mr. Mime. Torchic. Aron. Rookity. Rose Trainer. Eternatus V. I mean, hey, at least we got a hit. I got another one from my deck. Sweet. I'm okay with that. But I already have enough of you. I have too many Eternatus in my deck. Oh well. At least it's a hit. I'm happy. At least we didn't get no duds. We technically got 4 hits today. I count Ultra Prisms as a hit. That's kind of good. Alrighty, guys. That is honestly going to be it for today. With that, I've been the PokeTuber 2. Make sure to like, comment down below, and always subscribe. With that, guys, I hope y'all have a good day. Y'all have a good time.